Hey, buddy. How's it going? I haven't seen a box turtle for a long time. And pretty design. Yeah. Trying to get some dinner. He's probably thinking, leave me alone. Let me do my thing.